If you've recently gone through security checks on your PlayStation and need to restore full access, follow these steps to regain control of your account and console. Step 1. Verify your email. Before starting recovery, use the SR.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Reset your password. If prompted, reset your password by visiting the PlayStation website or using the console. Choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used before to enhance security. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication. Once you regain access, enable two-factor authentication for added security. This can usually be done in the account settings under security options, providing an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. Step 4. Review account activity. Check your account activity for any unauthorized transactions or changes. If you notice anything suspicious, report it to PlayStation support immediately to secure your account. Step 5. Update security questions. Finally, update your security questions and answers in your account settings. Choose questions and answers that are not easily guessable to further protect your account. By following these steps, you should be able to restore full access to your PlayStation account and ensure its security. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to PlayStation support for assistance.